Ohio and Columbus. 16-year-old girl mistaken for intruder fatally shot by father. Okay? So, the dad went crazy and murdered their child. Alternative headline: crazy gun nut lunatic went nuts, murdered their child in bizarre rage. Police said they received a call around 4:30 saying that someone inside the home had shot at what he believed to be someone breaking in after the house security system was activated. The 911 call obtained by the dispatch was made by the mother of the 16-year-old, who said the teen had been shot in the garage by her father, who believed she was an intruder. This is what happens when you have a gun culture. This is what happens when the solution to everything is a gun. This is what happens when you allow people that have no training, no experience in firearms. You just let them have whatever they want. Did they say, like, freeze? Who are you? Why are you here? No. Shoot first, ask questions later. Shoot your child in the fucking face, murder them, and then turn the light on, watch the blood pool around their dead body, and then ask them if they're an intruder? This is what happens when you give guns to stupid people. I know, I'm going to bring in some somewhat irrelevant statistics, but hear me out. 45% of Americans pray on a daily basis. They're dumb. They're insane. So, are you seriously going to give someone a gun who believes that Jesus is watching them jerk off and that angels are hovering over them, looking out for them? You're going to give that person a gun? They're crazy. They're insane. 95% of Americans don't eat vegetables. Look it up. Look up the fiber statistics in America. What's in vegetables? Fiber. You're going to give people that believe in invisible aliens watching over them every day, who don't know how to feed themselves, you're going to give them unrestricted access to firearms. Hairston's father can be heard on the call, which lasts more than 8 minutes, distraught and asking what his daughter is doing. Both parents are heard begging for the girl to wake up. Hairston's social media profile reflects that of a typical teenage girl with numerous selfies and other photographs showing her smiling. Several posts show her discussing getting a job and trying to decide whether she should stay close to home or go away further for college. Folks, it's fine if you are very heavily trained in guns and you've got a weapon for self-defense, you know how to use it, right? You know when to use it. That's one thing. But in the United States of America, no one has those trainings. No one has those faculties about them. When you hear someone downstairs getting a fucking drink of water, and your first reaction is, oh shit, let me get my gun and kill them, you are mentally ill. You are crazy. You are insane. That is not how a normal person behaves. Now, if you live by yourself, and you hear that, that's one thing. The motherfucker has a family. The motherfucker's got a wife and a kid. It's crazy shit. That's crazy shit. Motherfucker needs to go to jail. Take the guns away, motherfucker. Take the goddamn guns away from the cops, from the dumb fucks. Take the guns away. We don't need them.